Me teaching how to make gooey slime. Okay, let's go. Okay, so first what you might need is just something to put your slime in. Second, you'll just need some shampoo. I'm using blue. And first with some I may be teaching you how to make gooey slime with strings. If that's okay. Yeah. Boom. Okay. I'm just bored. So I'm gonna be teaching you how to make gooey slime out of shampoo, water's checked. I'm gonna go get it later when we'll need it. Alright? Okay, so first what you probably need is just to add shampoo. And then add the water, which is done. And then you just might need to just let it get cold. Let's go. No offense, but I already put all this stuff down. I said I was gonna put it in. I walked down the steps. That's I bet you can see it now. Hold on. That's my light right there. See that little round thing? My light. But it's my light, but it's inside the house. So yeah. Now let's put it inside the freezer for 5 minutes. 5. And yeah, there we go. Slime. The slime I worked hard on. And if you really want to learn more about slime, then please subscribe for my channel. And that won't be hard because I'll be on YouTube. So you'll see them under. So I'm pretty sure that you'll subscribe. Bye.